Welcome back to Mystery Mind Meld. Today we've got a science quiz packed with 20 mind-bending questions that will test your understanding of physics, chemistry, biology, and more. Let's go with the easier questions first. What metal turns the flame purple? Potassium, sodium, lithium, or barium? Potassium. Potassium compounds produce a characteristic purple flame when heated due to the emission of light at specific wavelengths. What is the sugar found in milk called? Histone, uracil, lactose, or carotid? The correct answer is lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide sugar found in milk, composed of glucose and galactose. The sky appears blue because of scattering of light, reflection of light from the ocean, absorption of red light by the atmosphere, or refraction of light through water droplets. Scattering of light. The blue color of the sky is due to Rayleigh scattering, where shorter wavelengths of light, like blue, are scattered more than other colors. Which glass is used for sunglasses? Polarized glass, frosted glass, tempered glass, or stained glass? The correct answer is polarized glass. Polarized lenses reduce glare by filtering out horizontal light waves, making them ideal for sunglasses. What is the atmospheric layer that reflects radio waves called? Troposphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, or mesosphere? The ionosphere contains charged particles that reflect radio waves, enabling long-distance communication. Who discovered the law of inertia? Aristotle of Stagira, Mikhail Vasilievich Lomonosov, Galileo di Vincenzo Bonaiuti de Galilei, or Sir Isaac Newton? Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. We move to the medium level. Weight of a body at the center of the Earth, equal to infinity, equal to 0, 9.8 times than on the surface, or 9.8 times less than on the surface. At the center of the Earth, gravitational forces cancel out, resulting in zero weight. Which part of the sunlight heats the solar cooker? Infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, or X-rays? The correct answer is infrared rays. Infrared rays carry heat energy and are responsible for heating the solar cooker. Which of the following is not an example of refraction of light? Making a rainbow, twinkle of stars, image formation by the human eye, or red color of setting sun? The red color of the setting sun is caused by scattering, not refraction. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, scatter more, leaving the longer wavelengths, Likert, to dominate during sunset. What shape are the faces of a prism? Sphere, rectangle, sphere and rectangle, or none of the ones offered? A prism typically has rectangular faces that connect its two triangular bases. These rectangular faces refract light, splitting it into its constituent colors. Acceleration due to gravity. Maximum at the equator, maximum at the poles, maximum at the center of the Earth, or everywhere the same. The acceleration due to gravity is slightly greater at the poles than at the equator because the Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is flattened at the poles. Additionally, centrifugal force reduces gravity at the equator. Who is considered the father of economics? Adam Smith, John Maynard Keynes, David Ricardo, or Milton Friedman? Adam Smith is often referred to as the father of economics due to his influential work, The Wealth of Nations. Magnetic flux unit, Tesla, Weber, Volt, Ampere. The correct answer is Weber. The SI unit of magnetic flux is the Weber, named after German physicist Wilhelm Eduard Weber. We move on to a more difficult level. Stay focused. What device is used to measure acceleration? Speedometer, accelerometer, stopwatch, or tachometer? The correct answer is accelerometer. An accelerometer measures proper acceleration, which is the rate of change of velocity of an object. Danger signals are usually red because red light scatters the least, scatters the most, has the shortest wavelength, or is absorbed by the atmosphere. We see red lights everywhere for warnings. Why is red used for danger signals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The first thought experiment with cannon shots from a high mountain was performed by Aristotle, Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, or Isaac Newton. Newton used this thought experiment to explain orbital mechanics and how objects can achieve orbit if launched with sufficient velocity. Speed of light with increase in temperature of the medium increases, decreases, remains constant, or becomes zero. The speed of light decreases slightly as the temperature of the medium increases due to changes in the refractive index. How does the sun's heat reach the Earth? Conduction, convection, radiation, or reflection? Heat from the sun reaches the Earth through electromagnetic radiation, primarily in the form of infrared and visible light. What is the chemical formula of washing soda? Washing soda, or sodium carbonate decahydrate, has the chemical formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Who was the first to measure the speed of light? Ole Roemer, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, or Galileo Galilei? Ole Roemer, a Danish astronomer, was the first to successfully measure the speed of light in 1676, using observations of Jupiter's moons. And that's it for today's science quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more brain-teasing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.